Hi, today we are going to be talking about two important aspects of virtualized networks rarely discussed: continuity of service and regulations. As communication service providers, or CSPs, move from physical to hybrid networks incorporating SDN and NFV, continuity of service and regulatory edicts will play a very important role. When we talk about continuity of service, we are talking about two aspects: the security of the virtualized environment, as well as the continuity of service in the same environment. Today's networks are primarily built on infrastructures that are closed platforms, just they have been for decades. The new paradigm shift to SDN and NFV means that the infrastructure becomes more software-based, more open, and more IT-like. Open protocols like OVS, Linux, OpenStack, along with white box hardware, are the foundation of this paradigm change. Several vendors are proposing open source orchestration solutions, and CSPs are working on customer service provisioning portals. This opens up the network to even more vulnerabilities and challenges from security perspective, as well as introducing some new network assurance requirements. How do CSPs prevent against denial of service attacks? For example, IoT introduces short duration network services which happen to be mission critical. How can they ensure there is no data theft? How do you protect this environment from malicious intent? On service continuity side, how do CSPs maintain uptime and performance of network and services to ensure customer satisfaction and minimize SLA penalties? How do you provide a continuity of service through assurance in a virtualized network to achieve network self-healing? The currently regulatory approach assumes that network control, switching, and infrastructure are tied together. As CSPs move to SDN and NFV, components become decoupled. So again, the question is, how are regulatory services enforced in a virtualized environment when the function residency can change throughout the virtual environment, i.e. function fluidity? Local regulations can be used to address local infrastructure issues, whereas network service provisioning, like internet services, may require more of a global regulation and governance. Network processing, analysis, and management are being shifted to the cloud, often referred to as telco cloud, enabling services over multiple infrastructures, which in turn will require a thorough revision of the current regulatory framework. For more information, please contact us. Thank you.